description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got a cup variety that came by way of James, Lakeside, California. Thanks, man. This is 3 Mien ribs. This should be like 3 noodle. Not 3 minute, but it's like a melding of time and noodle. So, kind of different. It's made in, what do you call it, Vietnam. This one's in particular for the U.S. market. Got some powder, we got some Earl, we got a folding fork, and we have a vegetable sachet. So let's get to it. Yeah. This is going to be a weird day of reviewing stuff because it's like, one is this, one is instantly prepared, which you'll see on the next episode. You might find fascinating. And then, let's see, and one is one that I did incorrectly as a soup, and now I'm going to do it as a not soup. And it goes in the microwave. So this is gonna fly by, I think. Today is the first day I've seen rain come out of the heavens in a while. That's pretty amazing. In fact, today I do these little notes to my wife every morning. I use Post-it notes. My kids do them too, but we do our sticky notes in the morning before she goes to work. And what was I gonna say? Oh, what I do every day is I go online and I look, and oh look, I just type in what is today, and it comes out with the thing of the day, right? So like, this is everybody likes cheese day, or animals tasty day, or something like that. Well, today is balloons to the heavens day. So, that's the deal. Yeah. 3 minutes. This is also like, wow, what's going on today? So, it's Wednesday, the 6th day of August 2025. Last night something neat happened. So, always wanted one. Didn't know if I really needed to get one, but I know they're expensive. So, I thought I'd see if we could score one. So, you know how I'm always mentioning that whole buy nothing thing? Well, more than once I've seen a KitchenAid, a blender, like the really, really fancy mixers. I've seen those on that buy nothing thing, and some of them are crummy. They're like off-brand fake ones, but I've never, every time I've asked for one, it's just like a dog pile. There's like 50 people who ask for it, and even then, when they pick somebody, they're like, well, if it falls through, we'll take it, you know, if it falls through. Never thought I'd get picked. I got picked, so we're gonna go pick up a KitchenAid Professional 6 thing. Says there's nothing wrong with it. It's got the bread hook. It's got all this junk. Plus, she's like, I was gonna put it up separately, but you know, if you want it, I have the noodle attachment. So soon I may try my hand at making some ramen with a KitchenAid. Oh, am I no bleeding? No. But it's raining. That much I can say. Ah, pardon me. Yeah, my nose is all of a sudden just like running like a faucet. But it's not a, I thought I had a bloody nose, but luckily I don't. So that's good. But yeah, this is Vietnamese ribs flavor, and that's kind of weird. These haven't been too bad. Actually, the chicken was the best one thus far. That's for sure. The chicken was decent. It's so weird though. It was a lot of the day yesterday. It was kind of hazy, overcast. Today it's like raining, and this is supposed to be my daughter's last day of summer softball, and I'm hoping it still goes down. What's the score? Hey, Miles?
Yeah.
What's the score?
No score yet.
No score yet. There's a Giants game going on right now. It's on the East Coast, so it's early. It started a half an hour ago. We just traded a whole bunch of people. Like, a whole bunch. Yeah. Here are our noodles. Despite a thin gauge, they have a nice chew to them, and I think that's my favorite part of these noodles. They kind of remind me of Thai noodles a little bit. Here's the broth. They don't have that exact crumble, though. Kind of salty, I don't know. Not, I'm gonna say spectacular, but not bad. Actually, that is rather salty. Let's see what we can do to this stuff. And I really don't have a heck of a lot. I've got scallions. There's some scallion. Some seeds. And some crushed red peppers. I think that's about right for that. Yeah, I guess if I had ribs, I could put that in there, but I don't know that that would be like a good use of ribs, if you like ribs. It's just a little much. Let's get you centered the best I can. Yeah, there you go. Watch the rotation a little bit. Thanks for watching. The next one you're gonna see, nope, not a noodle. It's based off of a flavor of noodles. It's this Bulldog lime habanero shit. Oh, that'll be a quick one. The prep is pretty intensely quick. So yeah, that'll be on the next episode. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good one. Bye-bye.